What if the way you begin your morning could change the way you live your life? In a world that rushes you from the moment you open your eyes, emails, noise, expectations, most people wake up reacting, not reflecting. But the Stoics taught us something different. As Marcus Aurelius wisely wrote, "When you arise in the morning, think of the privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, to love." This isn't just poetic. It's a philosophy, one that reminds us every day is a gift, and how we begin it defines everything. When you build a morning routine grounded in Stoic wisdom, you're not just forming habits, you're reclaiming clarity, control, and purpose before the world ever gets a say. So let's begin with the first principle. Number 1. Awake with gratitude. A morning routine aligned with Stoic principles offers numerous benefits, including enhanced focus, emotional resilience, and a greater sense of purpose. Engaging in practices such as meditation, journaling, or physical exercise can help us cultivate a mindset that embraces challenges and fosters inner strength. These activities not only prepare us for the day's demands, but also encourage us to reflect on our values and priorities, aligning our actions with our deeper beliefs. Moreover, a consistent morning routine can lead to improved mental clarity and reduced stress, allowing us to navigate life's complexities with greater ease. By integrating Stoic practices into our mornings, we can transform our approach to daily challenges, viewing them as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. This shift in perspective can be incredibly empowering, enabling us to respond to life's uncertainties with calmness and confidence. As we engage with these transformative practices, we unlock our potential to lead more intentional and fulfilling lives. Embracing a morning routine rooted in Stoic philosophy not only enhances our personal well-being, but also equips us to contribute positively to the world around us. In this way, we can cultivate a life of purpose, resilience, and appreciation for the beauty of existence. Number 2. Meditate on impermanence. Acknowledging life's impermanence can serve as a powerful morning ritual that enriches our daily experience. To begin this practice, find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably and reflect. Close your eyes and take a deep breath, allowing yourself to connect with the vastness of the universe. As you meditate, visualize the enormity of existence, the stars, the galaxies, and the fleeting moments that make up our lives. This perspective can help you grasp the transient nature of our time on Earth, reminding you that each moment is precious and irreplaceable. By contemplating this vastness, you can cultivate a deeper appreciation for the life you have and the opportunities that arise each day. As you reflect on the fleeting nature of existence, consider how this awareness can guide your actions. Prioritize what truly matters to you, focusing on meaningful relationships, personal growth, and experiences that bring joy. This clarity can help you let go of trivial concerns and distractions, allowing you to engage more fully with the world around you. Embracing the present moment with love and reverence is essential in this practice. Acknowledge the beauty in everyday experiences, whether it's the warmth of the sun on your skin, the laughter of a loved one, or the simple act of breathing. By grounding yourself in the present, you cultivate a sense of gratitude and mindfulness that enhances your overall well-being. This morning ritual not only fosters a deeper connection to life, but also empowers you to live with intention and purpose. As you embrace the impermanence of life, you'll find that each day becomes an opportunity to create lasting memories and meaningful connections, enriching your journey through existence. Number 3. Journal with intention. Journaling can be a transformative tool for introspection and gratitude, allowing you to connect deeply with your thoughts and emotions. To begin this practice, choose a journal that resonates with you personally, one that inspires you to write and reflects your unique style. This could be a beautifully bound notebook, a simple diary, or even a digital app that you find appealing. The key is to create a space where you feel comfortable expressing yourself. Each morning, take a few moments to list 3 things for which you are grateful. This simple yet powerful exercise shifts your focus from what may be lacking in your life to the abundance that already exists. Whether it's the warmth of the sun, a supportive friend, or a moment of peace. Acknowledging these blessings cultivates a mindset of appreciation and positivity. As you reflect on these aspects of your life, you'll find that gratitude can significantly enhance your overall well-being. In addition to gratitude, set intentions based on Stoic virtues to guide your daily actions. Consider qualities such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance, and think about how you can embody these virtues throughout your day. For instance, if you choose courage as your intention, you might resolve to face a challenging situation with confidence and resilience. Writing down these intentions in your journal not only reinforces your commitment, but also serves as a reminder of the values you wish to uphold. As you engage in this practice regularly, you'll develop a deeper understanding of yourself and your aspirations. Journaling becomes a powerful ritual that fosters self-awareness, encourages gratitude, and aligns your actions with your core values, leading to a more intentional and fulfilling life. Embrace this journey of introspection and watch as it transforms your perspective and enriches your daily experiences. Number 4. Live by values, not goals. Differentiating between setting intentions and goals is essential for cultivating a purposeful day. While goals often focus on specific achievements or outcomes, intentions center around who you intend to be in the moment. This shift in perspective allows you to prioritize personal growth and character development over mere accomplishments. Instead of fixating solely on what you want to achieve, consider the qualities and values you wish to embody throughout your day. For example, rather than setting a goal to complete a project, you might set an intention to approach your work with creativity and diligence. Writing down intentions that reflect your core values and character can significantly enhance your daily experience. Take a moment each morning to articulate how you want to show up in your interactions and tasks. This could include intentions such as being patient, compassionate, or resilient. By clearly defining these intentions, you create a framework that aligns your actions with your deeper beliefs, fostering a sense of authenticity in everything you do. Furthermore, using intentions as a compass for navigating daily challenges can empower you to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. When faced with obstacles, you can refer to your intentions, allowing them to guide your decisions and behaviors. For instance, if your intention is to practice kindness, you may find it easier to approach a difficult conversation with empathy rather than frustration. This approach not only helps you stay grounded, but also reinforces your commitment to living in alignment with your values. By focusing on intentions rather than just goals, you cultivate a more meaningful and fulfilling daily experience. This practice encourages you to embrace each moment with purpose, leading to a richer, more intentional life that reflects who you truly are. Number 5. Grow through discomfort. Introducing small discomforts into your daily routine can be a powerful catalyst for personal growth. To begin this journey, identify daily practices that challenge your comfort zone. This could be as simple as waking up earlier than usual, taking a cold shower, or engaging in a conversation with someone you typically avoid. These small acts of discomfort can help you build resilience and expand your capacity to manage challenges. By intentionally stepping outside your comfort zone, you train your mind and body to adapt to new situations, fostering a sense of strength and confidence. Embracing discomfort as a training ground for resilience allows you to develop a more robust character. Each time you face a challenge, you learn valuable lessons about perseverance and determination. For instance, if you commit to a daily workout that pushes your physical limits, you not only improve your fitness, but also cultivate mental toughness. This newfound strength can translate into other areas of your life, empowering you to tackle obstacles with greater ease. Additionally, recognizing the value of appreciating comforts by occasionally foregoing them can deepen your gratitude for the simple pleasures in life. Consider designating a day each week to unplug from technology, skip your favorite indulgences, or practice minimalism in your surroundings. By intentionally stepping back from comforts, you gain perspective on their significance and cultivate a greater appreciation for what you have. This practice can enhance your overall well-being and foster a sense of contentment. By introducing small discomforts into your life, you embark on a journey of self-discovery and growth. Embrace these challenges as opportunities to learn and evolve, and watch as they transform your perspective, resilience, and appreciation for both the struggles and comforts that shape your existence. Number 6. Practice mindfulness. Incorporating mindfulness into your morning routine can significantly enhance your overall well-being and set a positive tone for the day. To begin, find a comfortable position where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body to relax and your mind to settle. Focus on your breath, noticing the natural rhythm as you inhale and exhale. This simple act of concentrating on your breath helps anchor you in the present moment, creating a sense of calm and clarity. As you breathe, you may notice various thoughts and sensations arising. Instead of engaging with them or passing judgment, practice observing these experiences with a sense of curiosity. Acknowledge your thoughts and feelings without attachment, allowing them to come and go like clouds drifting across the sky. This non-judgmental awareness cultivates presence and helps you develop a more profound connection to your inner self. To deepen your mindfulness practice, consider reflecting on Stoic teachings during your meditation. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of understanding our thoughts and emotions, encouraging us to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. As you meditate, contemplate key Stoic principles such as acceptance, resilience, and the impermanence of life. This reflection can enhance your understanding of these teachings and provide valuable insights that you can carry with you throughout the day. By integrating mindfulness and Stoic philosophy into your morning routine, you create a powerful foundation for personal growth and emotional well-being. As you cultivate this practice, you'll find that it not only enriches your mornings, but also empowers you to navigate daily challenges with greater ease and clarity. Embrace this journey of mindfulness and watch as it transforms your perspective and enhances your overall quality of life. Number 7. Absorb Stoic wisdom daily. Engaging daily with Stoic literature can be a profound way to foster personal growth and resilience. To begin this enriching practice, select a passage from a Stoic text each morning that resonates with you. This could be a quote from Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, or Epictetus, each offering timeless wisdom that can inspire reflection and contemplation. As you read, take a moment to absorb the meaning of the passage and consider how it applies to your life. Following this, journal your insights, allowing your thoughts to flow freely onto the page. Reflect on how the teachings relate to your personal experiences, challenges, and aspirations. This process not only deepens your understanding of Stoic principles, but also helps you internalize the lessons, making them more relevant to your daily life. For instance, if you choose a passage about acceptance, think about situations where you can practice this virtue, transforming your perspective on adversity. Additionally, discussing Stoic principles with others can significantly enhance your understanding and appreciation of the philosophy. Engage in conversations with friends, family, or a study group, sharing your reflections and insights. This exchange of ideas can lead to new interpretations and applications of Stoic teachings, enriching your perspective and fostering a sense of community. By articulating your thoughts and hearing others' viewpoints, you deepen your comprehension and reinforce your commitment to living a Stoic life. Daily engagement with Stoic literature serves as a powerful tool for personal growth. By reflecting on passages, journaling insights, and discussing principles with others, you cultivate a mindset that embraces resilience, wisdom, and emotional strength. This practice not only enhances your understanding of Stoicism, but also empowers you to navigate life's challenges with greater clarity and purpose, leading to a more fulfilling and intentional existence. Number 8. Practice Amor Fati. Introducing the concept of loving one's fate, or Amor Fati, as a daily practice can profoundly transform your perspective on life. This Stoic principle encourages us to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, rather than viewing them as mere obstacles. Each difficulty we encounter can serve as a valuable lesson, pushing us to develop resilience, adaptability, and strength. By reframing our mindset, we can see that every challenge is an invitation to evolve and expand our capabilities. To further cultivate this practice, visualize potential obstacles as necessary components of your journey. Imagine your path as a winding road, where each twist and turn contributes to your overall experience. Instead of fearing setbacks, recognize that they are integral to your personal development. This visualization helps to normalize difficulties, allowing you to approach them with a sense of curiosity and openness rather than dread. Adopting a mindset of gratitude for all experiences, both good and bad, can significantly enhance your ability to love your fate. Each moment, whether joyful or challenging, contributes to the rich tapestry of your life. By consciously acknowledging the lessons embedded in every experience, you foster a deeper appreciation for your journey. Start each day by reflecting on what you are grateful for, including the struggles that have shaped you. This practice not only cultivates positivity, but also reinforces the idea that every experience has value. Ultimately, loving one's fate is about accepting life in its entirety, recognizing that every moment contributes to your growth. By embracing challenges, visualizing obstacles as essential, and practicing gratitude, you can cultivate a more resilient and fulfilling life. This daily practice empowers you to navigate life's uncertainties with grace and confidence, transforming your relationship with fate into one of acceptance and love. If this message speaks to you, we invite you to become part of our growing community at the Stoic Code, where we explore and live these principles together. Each morning is a quiet beginning, a sacred chance to meet the world not with urgency, but with intention. In this stillness, we are reminded of what Marcus Aurelius knew well: to awaken is a privilege, and to live wisely is a responsibility. We explored 8 timeless Stoic practices that can reshape not only your mornings, but your entire mindset. It begins with waking up in gratitude, acknowledging that life itself is a gift. We then turn to the impermanence of all things, allowing the fleeting nature of time to sharpen our presence. Through mindfulness, we root ourselves in breath and awareness, cultivating calm clarity before the world rushes in. Journaling becomes a space for grounding, a ritual of gratitude and intention that realigns us with our values. Rather than chasing goals alone, we learn to focus on who we are becoming, acting with patience, justice, courage, and self-restraint. We lean into discomfort not as punishment, but as preparation. Every challenge is a forge, shaping resilience, discipline, and strength. Daily reading of Stoic texts provides not just insight, but inner recalibration, a way to revisit virtue and walk with greater clarity. And finally, we embrace Amor Fati, loving our fate, welcoming even hardship as a necessary thread in the tapestry of our life. You don't need to adopt all 8 practices today. Progress is not about perfection, it's about presence. Choose one breath, one action, one clear moment at dawn, and let that be your foundation. If this message resonated with you, subscribe to the Stoic Code, where ancient wisdom meets the demands of modern life. And if you're seeking more than insight, if you want connection with others walking this same path of discipline and depth, join our community. Together, we build lives grounded in virtue, resilience, and meaning. Thank you for spending this time with us. In the words of Epictetus, don't explain your philosophy, embody it. We'll see you in the next video.